Hello dear student, welcome to my class of integers of class 5th, 6th, 7th. In today's class we'll learn the division of fractions. First we'll learn how to divide a whole number by fraction and also fraction by whole number. Then in the further classes we'll see how to divide fraction by fraction. Okay. So let's start. The first question is 7 divided by 2 divided by 5. Solution I am writing for first one. Solution. Student, this 7 will be as it is into, for this 2 by 5, when you divide with 7, then it will multiply with the 7 with the reciprocal of this number. This number will multiply with 7 by reciprocal of this number. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? That is 5 by 2, student. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Reciprocal means reversing the place of numerator and denominator. We have to reverse the place. The denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. That is called as reciprocal, student. Suppose 3 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? It will be 7 by 3, student. Reciprocal. Suppose only 3. What is the reciprocal of 3? Is 1 by 3, student. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. See, this 3 can be written as 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is again 3. So reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3, student. Keep in mind. 1 by 3 reciprocal means 3 by 1. Again it will be 3 by 1 is 3. So this number will be as it is. The first one will be as it is. And we have to divide 7 by 2 by 5. So reciprocal of this we have to write here. 7 5s are 35 divided by 2. This is the answer for this question, student. Sometime it will be given like this also, student. 7 divided by 2 by 5. This one and this one has same meaning. These two have same meaning. This is also 7 divided by 2 by 5 and this is also 7 divided by 2 by 5. If it is like this, then also we have to solve like this only. This 7 will be as it is. Then we have to take this value upside. What will happen? It will reciprocate. 5 divided by 2. Answer will be 7 into 5, 35 divided by 2. So this one and this one has same meaning, student. It is not different. Now second one, solution for second solution. 6 will be as it is, student, into 4 by 7. It will be 7 divided by 4, reciprocal of it. As I said, I have to take reciprocal of it. Now 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42, student, divided by 4. I can divide 42 and 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Here also 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Answer will be 21 divided by 2. Like this, third question, student. Now, solution. This 2 will be as it is, student, into reciprocal of this number 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. 2 into 9, 2 9s are 18 divided by 8. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Answer will be 9 by 4, student. Keep in mind, this one and this one has same meaning. If it is like this, then also we have to solve like this only. Now, the second one, student. This we have done. Now, solution for first one. First one solution. 2 by 3 as it is. 2 by 3 as it is. This is 7. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7, student. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Why? 7 can be written as 7 by 1. 7 by 1 is again 7. So what will be the reciprocal of 7 or 7 by 1? It will be 1 by 7. Now, next step. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21. This is the answer, student. This one and this one, 2 by 3 whole divided by 7. These two have same meaning. 2 divided by 3 divided by 7. 2 by 3 divided by 7. These two are same, student. Keep in mind, if it is like this, then also solution will be same. 2 by 3 as it is. 7 we have to take with 2 by 3. So it will be reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Answer will be same. 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. Now, second question, student. Solution. 3 by 4 as it is into 3 can be written as the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Keep in mind, for anything, suppose anything. What is the reciprocal of anything? 1 by anything. Or what is the reciprocal of 1 by anything? Anything. Keep in mind. Now, 3 into 1, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Answer will be 1 by 4. Now, student, third question solution. Third solution. 6 divided by 5 by 5 of 1 by 3. This is improper fraction. First we have to convert this into proper fraction, student. I am writing 6 divided by. Let's convert this into proper fraction. How to convert it? I have shown you many times. In my previous classes I have shown you. Let's see one more time. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 3. 16 divided by 3. Now, next step, student. This 6 will be as it is into reciprocal of 16 by 3 will be 3 by 16, student. Now 6 3s are 18 divided by this 6 will be as it is, student, I am converting this proper fraction in improper fraction into proper fraction. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 3. Now 6 will be as it is. Reciprocal of into reciprocal of this number, which is going to be divided with 6, is 3 by 16. 6 3s are 18 divided by 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Answer will be 9 by 8, student. So I hope you understood how to divide the fractions, whole number by fraction or fraction by whole number. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. And homework is you have to solve all the questions 3 times. Thank you for watching my videos.